Good morning, children. How are you? I hope everyone is fine. Yes, today I will explain new topic. First, I will ask some questions. We use many things. We use many things in our daily life. Yes or no? Yes. What do we need to live? What do we need to live? Air, water, food, etc. Yes? Where are the air, water, food and sunlight coming from? Nature. Yes? Nature. Nature. The resource which we get directly from nature, what are they called? Natural resource. Natural resource. Today's topic name is Natural Resource of India. Natural resource. Of India. Natural resource of India. All those things which we get from nature, are called our natural resource. Our natural resource. All those things which we get from nature are called our natural resource. Our earth provides us with everything that we need to live. Yes, like air, water, sunlight are some of the things. That we get from the earth. Yes or no? Yes. They are called natural resource. Understood? Our earth provides us with everything that we need to live. Like air, water and sunlight are some of things that we get from the earth. Yes, they are called natural resource. The natural resource are the resource that we get from nature and that help us in our day-to-day lives. Yes, natural resource are mainly of two types. Natural resource mainly two types. Renewable or inexhaustible. Renewable or inexhaustible. Second one, non-renewable or exhaustible. Natural resources are mainly of two types. One is renewable or inexhaustible resource. Another one is non-renewable or inexhaustible resource. Now I will explain renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resource. Renewable means can be replaced quickly. Can be replaced quickly, like air, water, sunlight, and natural resources that we can be replaced and reused. Replaced and reused by nature are termed renewable. Are termed renewable. Renewable means can be replaced quickly. Can be replaced quickly. Natural resource that can be replaced and reused by nature. Reused by nature are termed renewable. Understood? Renewable are inexhaustible resource. The resource that never get used. That never get used up as they are abundantly available in nature. In nature. Understood? The renewable or inexhaustible resource are the resource that never get used up as they are available in nature. Sunlight, air, water, and soil are some natural resources that will never get used up. They will never get used up. Understood? Once again, renewable resource means can be replaced quickly. Natural resource that can be replaced and reused by nature. Replaced and reused by nature are termed renewable. Understood? Renewable resources are the resource that never get used up as they are abundantly available in nature. Air, sunlight, air, water, and soil. Some natural resource. Natural resource that will never get used up. They will never get used up. Let us learn about the uses of some renewable resources. Air. First one is air. Air is main essential for all humans, animals, and plants. Yes, to survive. Yes, air is essential for all humans, animals, and plants to survive. Yes or no? Yes. While plants used to make their food. Yes, plants used to make their food. And humans need air to breathe and live. Yes, air to breathe and live. The air, the blanket of air, the blanket of the earth on the earth surface also helps maintain the right temperature, so that it is suitable for life. Without the blanket of air. Without the this blanket of air, life on the earth would not have been possible. Understood? Air is an essential for all things, humans, animals and plants to survive. Yes, while plants use air to make their food, and humans also need air to breathe and live. Yes, the blanket of air on the earth surface helps to maintain the right temperature. Understood? So that is suitable for life. Without this blanket of air, life on the earth would not have been possible. Understood? Next, water. Water makes up 3/4 of the earth surface. Yes, water makes up 3/4 of the earth surface. Just like air, water is essential for humans, animals and plants to survive. Yes, water makes 3/4 of the earth surface. Just like air, water is essential for humans, animals and plants to survive. Yes. Next, sunlight. Sunlight is the main important renewable resource. Sunlight is the most important renewable resource. Understood? Sunlight warms us and provides light in the daytime. Yes, sunlight warms us and provide light in the daytime. Plants use sunlight to make their food through a process called photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight to make their food through a process called photosynthesis. Understood? Plants use sunlight to make their food through process called photosynthesis. Understood? Sunlight also Sunlight also serve as a sources of solar energy. Solar energy. Many cars today run on solar energy. Many cars today run on solar energy. Cooking can also be done using solar energy. Understood? Cooking also using solar energy. Today so many cars today run solar energy. Okay, today many cars run on solar energy. And also cooking can also be done using solar energy. Understood? Air is the essential for humans and animals, plants to survive. Yes, while plants use air to make their food. Humans also breathe and live. Air to breathe and live. Yes, the air, the blanket of air on the earth's surface help make right temperature that's so suitable for life. Without this blanket of air, life on the earth would not have been possible. Understood? Next, water. Water makes up the 3/4 of the earth's surface. 3/4 of the earth's surface, like air, water, too essential for human, animals and plants to survive. Next, sunlight. Sunlight is the one of the most important renewable resource. Understood? Renewable resources. Sunlight warms us and provides light in the daytime. Yes, plants use sunlight to make their food through process called photosynthesis. Understood? Plants use sunlight to make their food through process called photosynthesis. Sunlight also serves as a source of solar energy. Today, many cars run on solar energy. And cooking can also be done using solar energy. Next, wind. Wind is another important natural resources. Windmills are provided to create energy. Windmills used to create energy from the movement of the wind. Wind means rotate the wheel. For example, see here. A to process to rotate the wind, movement of the wind to give energy, create energy. Several states in India like Tamil Nadu, West Bengal produced wind energy. Understood? Produced wind energy. Wind is another important natural resource. Understood? Windmills are used to create energy. The movement of the wind create energy from the movement of the wind. Understood? Several states in India, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal produce wind energy. Next, forests. Forests also rich sources of animals, trees, plants, uh, soil, yes, etc. Plants and trees provides us with the wood, gum, medicine, perfumes, and raw materials. Most importantly, plants release oxygen in the air. Plants release oxygen in the air, which is essential for humans. Yes, which is essential for humans. Forests are a rich sources of animals, trees, plants, and soil. Yes? The plants and trees provides us with gum, wood, medicine, perfumes, and raw materials. Yes, most importantly, plants release oxygen. Plants release oxygen in the air, which is essential for humans. Next, animals. Animals provides us with food like milk, eggs, meat, etc. Yes, animals provides us with like milk, food, and eggs, meat, etc. Other things like wool, leather also. Wool and leather. They are also sometimes used as a means of transport. In hill areas and deserts. Understood? Animals provides us with food like milk, eggs, meat, and other things, wool and leather. They are also sometimes animals sometimes used a means of transports hill areas and deserts. Next, soil which form the top layer of the earth. Soil is essential for plants grow and live. Okay, grow and live is essential for plants grow and live. Understood? Renewable resources: air, water, sunlight, forests, animals, and wind, soil. Yes, these are renewable resources. Yes, next, non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources topic I will explain next class. Okay, children, everyone open your textbook. Once read the lesson. Okay, please send the worksheets. Understood? Please send the worksheets. Once read the lesson. Everyone open your textbook. Once read the lesson. Okay. Thank you.